And welcome back to The Factor Uncensored. Next time you're in the beauty supply store, you may want to take the time to read every single ingredient on the back of those products. And that may take some time, but it could save your life. A new study says a common chemical companies use for black hair care products can trigger breast cancer cells. My next guest has more on that ingredient you need to avoid. And Tamika Fletcher's here on The Factor Uncensored. Tamika, there is a chemical we're hearing that's involved in black hair products that could cause a risk for breast cancer. And so we have to say all our damn lives we had to fight. Now we got to fight against hair care products, Tamika. So what is this all about?
We've always known that there was something mysterious happening. And if you really think about the products that we use and how most women, we all use the same products. The only thing that's pretty much different is the hair products that we use. We use the same soaps, lotions, perfumes, but the aisle for hair care is segregated, which is fine because I want to go in and find the products that I need quickly. I don't want to have to look all over the store for what I need.
However, as long as it's not locked up like I've seen it at some damn stores.
Now they have to start coming to get this. If they need a key to unlock it, then you want to ask a few questions. But at this point, they might need a key to lock up some of these paraben-based products, because at the end of the day, those products are marketed to us for the most part. And it's been, years. Even back in 2012, there was another study that showed that these toxic chemicals were disproportionately promoted to Black women. And those products at the end of the day are harmful to mainly us. And so when we go in to buy hair care products, we start using these products sometimes at 6 years old. And if you've been using those products for the last, let's say, 30 years, then it's not surprising to me that those ingredients in low doses can be extremely harmful to you, cancer and otherwise.
No, there are millions of hair care products out there. Why only Black hair care products? What's that about?
I don't think it's only Black hair care products. I think the way that parabens affect us, that it affects us differently. It mimics the hormones in our bodies. But I also think that because we buy a disproportionate amount of hair care products in comparison to other women, and to produce the volume of those products that we need a preservation system that can actually keep those products from spoiling or bacteria growing.
And that's what the parabens are for.
That's what the parabens are for. And to be perfectly honest, a lot of those products are manufactured by people that really are just trying to mass produce. Just because your face is on the box does not mean that the product for you. And so that's why I'm so happy that there's a movement of indie products, small batches, women that you can actually touch and see, and you know where the product came from. But at the end of the day, I think we all kind of know that the products that are marketed to us sometimes are not being, people that are manufacturing the products are not being mindful about the ingredients and how they're affecting us.
And that's why you've been preaching natural for the last 20 years. Tamika Fletcher, always good to see you here on The Factor Uncensored, and we appreciate your time tonight.